Today, we are going to talk about selling commercial cleaning accounts by balancing personal and business with prospects. This concept can be used in any format. For example, this video is a business format, just a quick, straightforward explanation. But Shane has videos also where he will talk about topics more practically and share personal experiences. We often can become stuck in the mindset of selling our services, but people also buy from people. The personal business interaction model demonstrates that personal interactions you have with customers are as, if not more important, as the quality of the core service or product itself. By entering and exiting all customer interactions through the personal level, you can help customers feel cared about and well treated. With normal customer interactions, it is important to enter the conversation at a personal level before doing business. This is the verbal handshake. Then, during the conversation, do not be afraid to bring something into the conversation that's not about the business at hand. When the business is complete, exit through the personal level. When you experience situations where the customer exhibits strong feelings, this is the ideal time to move back to the personal level.